Hi, my name's Tom. I love the smell of real leather like in these shoes. I was sent these shoes to go ahead and show you all the cool features, and they are just perfect. They're wonderful shoes. These are black leather Oxford classic style dress shoes. You can see, look at them. They're just, that is exactly what you think about when you think about of a classic dress shoe. This is it. These look great. They are comfortable. I have a wedding coming up in about 2 months from now, and I am really looking forward to wearing these shoes. So, a couple things about them. One, they are a classic look. They do come in different colors. This is real leather. Woo! It smells like real leather. You will know the minute you open the box, you got the real thing. It is beautifully shiny. This happens to be the black shoe. I love black shoes. They go with anything. You can see this is a high quality shoe. The leather itself is shiny and smooth. The stitching is strong. The soles themselves have some rubber padding there just for traction. It is just, they feel great, by the way. There is a little bit of cushioning in there. Not too much. It's not quite like a tennis shoe. They are dress shoes, but they are very, very good. I am looking forward to dancing at a wedding with these. They are just really, really nice. By the way, when you get them, you do obviously get them laced up. You will have to unlace them and then relace them. They kind of lace them backwards to kind of just because they look good coming out of the package. They do, both of these shoes actually come in some little cloth bags as well with a drawstring where you can go ahead and keep them nice and protected when you're not using them. So if you just put your shoes in a closet, they'll sometimes get dusty or dirty. By the way, these things actually come in a really nice gold box. It's just really, it presents well. You can go ahead and just put that in your closet as it is. These shoes themselves actually come in these little drawstring bags. Now, I know you're not used to having shoes with bags. What happens is this. Your dress shoes are special. You don't want to necessarily get them messed up or dirty. So what happens is when you put shoes in your closet, they eventually get dirty and dusty and things fall on them. Other shoes fall on them. That's why you have these bags. Once you've gone ahead and worn your shoes, or after you polish them up, you got them nice and clean, ready to go for next time, you want to go ahead and put them into these drawstring bags and just protect them with these things. That'll keep all the dust and dirt off of them so that when you're ready to go out for a night in the town, or you're ready to go to that wedding or that big special event, these shoes are ready to go. No dusting, no cleaning, no dirt. They're just ready to go. You take them out, you put them on, and you're out the door. I used to admit I'm kind of old school. I used to actually go to the old shoe store and shop around and look at 1,000 different styles before I'd finally end up with a style just like this. So you don't have to think about these. These are classic Oxford. They will fit anywhere in any setting. They are just beautiful, nice and smooth, very straight, simple cuts. They will work with dress clothes. They'll work with jeans. You just get your size, you buy them from Amazon, and they show up at your door a couple days later. That's all there is to it. That's the nice part about this. You don't have to go through all that hassle of trying on shoes and going for different styles and having them not have the right style, the right color. Shoe stores have very limited quantities. Amazon is a way to go. I have to admit, I'm sold on buying clothes from Amazon now. I've gotten a lot of clothes from Amazon, and it's always been great. But these shoes are very comfortable. They're dressy. They look great, and I highly recommend them.